What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to Vibe with Double Shift. Here is where I help small creators like you grow, get monetized, and win on YouTube. Now, listen, if you ever been stuck trying to complete your first 4,000 watch hour, this is the video you need to watch from the starting to the finishing. Because I'm not just going to tell you what to do, I'm going to show you how to actually complete this 4,000 watch hours the right way. No ads, no fake trick, no burnouts. If you've ever said, my views are okay, but hours aren't moving, this video is for you. Yes, I made this video for you. Let's get you from stuck to monetized. Hit that like button and let's dive in. All right, first thing first, let's clear up what's actually 4,000 watch hour. What 4,000 watch hour really mean? YouTube needs you to hit 4,000 public valid watch time within the last 12 months. That's about 240 or 240,000 minutes of people actually watching your content. And that's not 4,000 views. It's not total upload time. It's real viewers' time. That's what proves to YouTube that your content keep people on the platform. You understand? Once you hit that number and 1,000 subscribers, you can then apply for monetization and start earning from ads. But here is the truth. Here is the truth. You don't need viral videos to get there. You need smart videos. Smart videos. Video that can make people stay longer and come back for more. Second thing, let's talk about the mindset shift. Before you try any new trick or strategy, you need the right mindset. Stop saying, I need 4,000 watch hours and start saying, I need to earn my viewers' time. That's the best statement to use because every second someone watches you is a proof of trust. Don't focus on getting views. Focus on keeping viewers. If your content gives values, emotion, or inspiration, your hours will grow naturally. You don't chase watch time. You build it. And the third thing I'll be talking about is, do you actually plan your video orientation? Here is the first real move. Plan your video for orientation, not just upload speed. No. Every video should answer these 3 questions before you hit that record. Why should someone click? Why should they keep watching? What will they get at the end of the video? If you can answer these 3 questions, you are not guessing. You are building orientation by design. The easiest way to grow watch hour is to stop uploading random video and start creating intentional content. And the fourth thing I would like to talk about in this video is, how do you instantly hook your viewers? If you lose your viewers in the first 10 seconds, you lose your watch time period. So open strong, start with energy, proof or results. Say something like, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to complete your 4,000 watch hours step by step. That alone, tell them the value upfront. Then get straight into the meat. No long intro, no slow build up. YouTube doesn't reward perfection, it rewards attention. And the fifth thing I would like to talk about is the power of playlists. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets to complete your watch hours. And that one thing is also playlist. When someone watches one video and it automatically roll into another one from the same playlist, that counts towards your total watch time. You are not actually growing one video, you are growing your whole channel. So create series content. And how do you create series content? By making sure your title align. The first can be how to get the first 1,000 subscribers. The second can be how to get watch hour, how to get monetized, and so on. Then connect them with playlists. That's how small creators get 4,000 watch hour even with average view, because people bridge their content like a mini course. Now let's talk about the system, the longer video, the longer hours. Now this one is very huge. If you only upload 2 to 3 minute video, your total watch hour will crawl. You understand? It will crawl like a snail. And I know you don't need that. So what do you have to do? Create valuable content like 10 to 20 minutes video. Your total time per viewers multiplies. Let's say 100 persons watch a 15-minute video and the average watch time is 10 minutes. That's already 1,000 minutes from one upload. Do that continuously and 4,000 watch hour becomes very doable, because very easy. So don't be afraid to go longer. Just make sure it's strong. Now, let's talk about small change that make huge difference, which is orientation trick that actually works. Reset attention every 1 to 2 minutes using phrases like now. Here is something most creators miss. Or add subtitle, zoom, or cut in your edits. Keep the visual energy alive. Or use a screen test or graphics to highlight key points. You understand? You can also as well ask many questions. Have you ever noticed your viewers drop off halfway? That alone rearrange the brain. You don't need fancy gears. The next thing I'll be talking about here, this one is a game changer. A lot of small creators underestimate this. They don't take it serious. Going live. Go live. Live stream counts towards your 4,000 watch hours. You can do question and answer tutorial, reaction stream, or simple creator hangouts. Even a 1 hour live with 10 persons watching give you 10 watch hour instantly. Do that twice a week and you will hit your watch hours goal way faster. Now, let's connect it all, because those 4,000 watch hour means nothing if you don't use them right. Once you hit 4,000 public watch hour, valid public watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube unlock your partner program access. From there, you can start earning. So AdSense, channel channel membership, super chats. That's during your life. During going live, you can earn. And also, some brands can make deals with you and you can also earn from there. But the real win isn't money, it's momentum. Once you hit monetization, you are no longer trying YouTube. You are building a brand. So here is the truth. Getting 4,000 watch hours is not easy, but it's 100% possible. You don't need luck. You need consistency, structure, and belief in your message. Every second someone watches your video is a proof that your stories, matters. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more growth tips, and drop me a comment below. Tell me how many watch hours you have got so far. Let's hit 4,000 watch hours together. Stay creative, stay consistent, and until then, keep creating and keep vibing with Double Chief.